All right, kindergarten artists, today we are going to learn about a famous artist from art history named Vincent van Gogh. So some of you might recognize when I'm showing you some of his artwork today, this is the artist who did it. So Vincent van Gogh was from art history. Now, there's some things we need to know about Vincent as a person before we talk about him as an artist. If you look here, this is a painting he did of himself. He's not smiling. Usually when I take a picture, I try to smile. So if I painted a self-portrait of myself, I would definitely probably smile in that self-portrait. Here, it says Vincent van Gogh was one of the most tragic artists who ever lived. So that's a word, I don't know that we use that word a lot, so I'm wondering if you guys know what it means. Well, if you think it means sad or unhappy because of the way he looks, if we keep reading, it says nothing ever seemed to go right for him and he wasn't very happy. He never even smiled in his self-portraits. So if you thought that tragic meant the same thing as sad or unhappy, you were correct. Now, Vincent van Gogh is a little bit different than some artists because he did not grow up wanting to be an artist. He tried doing a lot of other things during his life. He tried working in an art gallery for his brother Theo, selling artwork. He tried being a teacher. He tried working in a library. He even tried being a preacher. But none of those things ever really made him happy. He started taking art classes as an adult, and that's when he decided he wanted to be an artist. If you look here, this doesn't look like some of the paintings that you guys are going to see by him later. These are black and white drawings. These are when he was first learning how to draw. At the time he was alive making artwork, people were used to seeing paintings with dark colors and really strong details, like you kind of see him doing here. Here, he did a painting called The Potato Eater. So if you look, these people are having dinner. I don't know that I would want to have dinner there. It looks kind of dark and dreary. If I look here, this one shows people working outside. Now, even though I can't touch the picture and tell what the temperature is outside, I look at this picture and I think, well, in this painting, I think it's probably cold, maybe even rainy outside, just based on the colors that I'm seeing him use. He didn't use those warm colors we've looked at before. He used those cool colors. But then when I look at these paintings, he was studying artists that did paintings in Japan, and he noticed they used bold, bright colors, warm colors. So in this painting that he did later, I look at it and I think, well, I think here it's probably nice and warm outside. So we're going to keep looking at some of his artwork as we go on, and then we're going to use some of his artwork for our own ideas.